What's going on, hobby fam? The big card show here, located in the high seas in the Gulf of America. On our way to our first vacation destination spot, we're gonna open up a box of Phoenix and see what we could find. All right, guys, pack one. Let's hope we get something good since we're in beautiful vacation mode. Let's see if we find something good in this one. So we got CJ McCollum. We got Chris Paul. We got DeMontis, Opie Toppin, Jason Tatum with the color match, very nice card. We got Brandon Miller rookie. We got Jason Tatum on the Paragon color match, not bad. We got Anthony Black on the Instant Phenom. We got Daniel Gafford on the purple. And then Jerry Stackhouse, legend. All right, guys, pack two. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell for any new video uploads that I put up. This week, I'm gonna be putting up a couple of packs in Paradise. So we got Rasheed Wallace, Darren Fox on the color match purple. That's a nice one. Mike Conley, PJ Washington, Andre Drummond. We got Grady Dick, rookie, very nice. Keontae Johnson, Tyrese Maxey on the Paragon. And then we got Tony Parker and Zach Levine. All right, pack three. And don't forget, if you want to buy some merch for your favorite NFL, basketball, baseball team for the season, check out my link in the description. Larry Bird, the legend, Brandon Roy, Donovan Mitchell, Danny, DeZumo, Keegan Murray, Nick Smith Jr., Jaime Jaquez Jr. rookie card. And we got Chris Livingston and Donovan Mitchell again. All right, guys, pack four. There's gotta be something in here, guys. Isaac Okoro, Damian Lillard, Marvin Bagley, Simmons. Oh, this one looks pretty cool coming up. Zubac, Kobe Jones. Oh, okay. Jalen Brunson. Is that numbered? No, it's not numbered. The Joker on the Templeman. Not numbered either. And then we got Scotty Barnes and the great Shaquille O'Neal. All right, guys, last pack magic. Please let there be something in here worthwhile. We've had nothing but stunks on these. So we got Alonzo Mourning, Jerry West, the logo man, Buddy Hield, Eric Gordon, Spencer, Okongwu, Amin Thompson on the rookie card, Kevin Durant, my favorite player. And then we got Azur Thompson and Danny Avdija. Well, strike one on day one from Phoenix NBA. Come back tomorrow and see what else we got. We're gonna open up a box of Zenith A to Z football since it is football season. And stay tuned for more content. I'll see you guys on the next one.